everyone, and welcome back to one more video of All Light Food, and today's recipe is a refreshing hot and spicy egg drop mushroom soup. So let's quickly check on the recipe. To make the soup, first I'm going to cut 6 to 7 button mushrooms into small pieces. I just can't stop myself from peeling those thin skins, but you can just let them on. Once you cut them into small pieces, just wash the mushrooms in water thoroughly, squeeze out the excess water and set them aside. Next, crack the eggs. For this recipe, use 2 egg whites and 1 whole egg for those big egg white chunks in your soup. But if you want to add more fat, just go for 2 whole eggs. Next, I am going to make a sauce mix for the soup. For that, in a cup, I will add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. You can also use tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and then 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is going to thicken the soup, and if you like your soup to be a little thin, just go for 1 tablespoon. And finally, around a teaspoon of black pepper powder. To this, I am going to add 1/4 cup of water and give it a nice and gentle mix. So to make it simple, I just prepare everything before making the soup so that I am quick while cooking. But you can definitely add all these ingredients individually while the soup will be boiling. Now that everything is ready, I will quickly saute the veggies and add the flavors. For that, in a pan, I will take 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and when the oil is warm, I'll add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and I will let it do over brown. Over browning the garlic will give the soup the right strong garlic flavor. Next to this, add 1/4 cup of finely chopped carrots and 1/4 cup of finely chopped cabbage. If you want to add beans and peppers, just go for it. Fry the vegetables for a minute or 2 and then add the mushrooms. Now let the mushroom to cook with the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes. Once all the vegetables are half cooked, add 2 to 3 cups of water for 2 servings and let it to boil on high heat. Once it starts boiling, pour the sauce mix slowly, in which you also added the cornstarch to thicken the soup. After a minute, pour the eggs slowly. Don't stir if you want big egg chunks in your soup, but stir along with the pouring of the eggs if you want the eggs to be very small in size. Just let it to boil till the eggs are cooked nicely. Now turn off the heat to avoid evaporation of the liquid and let it to sit on the stove for 2 to 3 more minutes before serving. Serve hot and enjoy your mushroom and egg soup. This is looking deliciously appetizing. Thank you so much for watching the video. We'll see you soon with one more recipe. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. Do check the description box for recipe details, food goodies and health articles.